cleaning. Kata took my hand and giggled as she pulled me up the cobble street of the castle. She stopped in front of the phone booth opposite the court. "I found Sándor's phone number," she boasted. "The number of which Sándor?" "The one of Sándor Szijjártó. He was our headmaster." Before I could speak, Kata had thrown a coin into the machine. I hoped he wouldn't pick up, but after half a minute Kata spoke into the receiver in a deepened voice. "Good morning. This is the Hungarian Telecommunications Company. Line cleaning. Please, blow into the phone." Kata's head nearly split open from her restrained laughter as she held the phone to my ear. The headmaster really blew into it, big time. He suddenly became much more likeable than before.